So, Zoho Mail remains one of the most capable businesses email service in this year, especially for users who want your privacy focus and ad-free inbox with tight integration into a full business ecosystem. It's part of the broader Zoho suite, so email ties directly into calendars, contacts, file storage, and CRM tools. A big plus for small teams and growing businesses. Zoho's mail strengths lie in the clean UI, strong security like encryption and two-factor authentication, which is flexible plans that suit both individuals and enterprises. So this year, Zoho Mail still isn't necessarily the best choice for everyone, especially if your priorities are very advanced AI tools or ultra deep integrations with popular consumer apps, but it competes strongly against alternatives by balancing power, privacy, and price better than most. So it's somewhat an all-rounder tool that you can use. So for businesses, the value is a professional email solution without ads, with reliable uptime, custom domains, and shared folders with team collaboration features. So Zoho Mail remains a top contender. With the pros of a clean, intuitive interface, which we already mentioned, you have the strong privacy and security policies, excellent integrations, and custom domain support. With that, there's also the feature depth, but there is a less ecosystem presence than Google or Microsoft, so a fewer native integrations with non-Zoho tools. The mobile experience can lag competitors, and the AI productivity features isn't as advanced as a few other options. Zoho Mail is best for or a great choice for small to mid-sized businesses, startups, and professionals who want a reliable, secure, and ad-free email platform that links deeply with business tools without premium pricing. So again, Zoho Mail isn't universally the best, so the title depends on your needs, but it still ranks among the best value business email solutions available due to its rich features, privacy stands, and strong ecosystem. So if you care about professional email plus business app integration without the bloat or ads of bigger platforms, then Zoho Mail deserves serious consideration and could just be the best for you. So that's a bit of information for Zoho Mail and if it's still the best as of now. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.